combo plate. Milanesa. Cheeseburger, double cheeseburger. Only $5 and single for 3. That's a good price. Sincronizada. Quesadilla with white cheese, chipotle, and ham. Alright. Sopes. Oh, that's what sopes are. Con asada, pastor, pollo, cabeza, chorizo. Okay. What's pastor? What is pastor? Oh, is that pork? Oh, with head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Black people like mayonnaise outside. That's crazy.
It's true.
No.
Oh, that one kind of looks like fingers. The torto cubano. I don't like that stuff at all. I got a taco plate once, and I didn't think about it. Started eating. I'm like, why is there a hole in the middle of this meat? Oh, I was so sick to my stomach.
And not only that, but you know they sometimes fry the meat where they fried the other meat, so it's gonna taste like this. At least they have veggie tacos.
Oh, that was veggie tacos. That looks good. Well, it's just a piece of avocado.
It's lettuce.
They have pretty good
like
prices.
sauce and tomato. You don't want
And they have an A with the public health department.
and they here every day.
And they have a friendly staff, right?
Yeah.
It's cash only. What's your name?
Mi name, Delfin Junior.
Delphine Jr. And he
Yeah.
makes the bomb tacos on this truck, right?
Te gusta mi taco, sabrosos.
People think his tacos are delicious and they love them.
Ya, deliciosos.
Ah, sí, yo entiendo.
Sí, con todo. Chile aparte, salsa verde.
¿Tiene una página en Twitter? ¿Por eso? ¿Video? De su troca para mucho más clientes. ¿Sabe de tu troca? Trash. Ooh, they even have a built-in trash can. Look at that.
Isn't that neat, right?
And Lanisha loves it.
Oh, I love this truck.
Give it a high. Give it a. What's your sign,
Probably Twitter.
Lanisha? Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. That's
They're
right.
posing, too.
Oh, look at friendly staff over here.
Okay.
Hey,
Thank you, señorita.
hey.
Hey, what is that?
And they're on the corner of Alvarado y qué?
Jameswood. Jameswood.
And Jameswood.
Alvarado and Jameswood.
Right next to the coin laundry. Friendly people all around.
You like gumbo?
Oh, he likes gumbo.
Because I don't like seafood. So I don't eat like shellfish at all, or lobster or anything.
No? I like vegetables best.
Yeah, I like food. I like salads. I just prefer a nutritious meal. I don't know if this truck is so nutritious. Right?
They have an A from the health code
They have an A,
department.
but I'm talking about nutritious.
Delicious and nutritious. That's what we want. Let's see if we get it here at Aguas Frescas de Horchata. No. What's the name? El Delfín Junior. El Delfín Jr. Check it out.